I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on Mon Finance is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Mon Finance app. Launch the Mon Finance app on your device or go to the Mon Finance website. This is where you will start the process of linking your bank account. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once you load in, find the settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, look for the option labeled bank accounts. Click on it to proceed to the next step of adding your bank details. Step 4. Add your bank account. Click on the Add Bank Account button. You will need to enter your bank's routing number and your account number. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid errors. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Mon Finance will typically make small test deposits to verify your account. Check your bank statements for these deposits and confirm them in the app. Remember, it may take a few days for the test deposits to appear, so keep an eye on your bank account. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble linking your bank account. Happy investing!